All right. Good afternoon. It is March 29th, 2021. It is Monday, and it is vlog. What is vlog? Vlog 60. Oh my god, it's vlog 60. 60. 10 years from now, I'll be 60. But vlog 60, how awesome is this? We still got a long way to go. I think I was counting, 200 and something days till December. And I should count down to my 50th birthday. That'd be kind of cool. But yeah, I have it all logged down here, so we don't have to worry about it. But yeah, let's start out. I haven't done a tuning today because the internet's been out since yesterday. How crazy is that? And it kind of just came up, so I need to because that was kind of stressing me out. Every single time makes me feel good. So awesome. But yeah, today, March 29th, that is Monday. Mondays are crazy, but actually, let me tell you a story. Yesterday, I was about to upload my 100-day song, and I checked out the internet, and it wasn't working. And actually, this is the longest that the internet hasn't been working. This is kind of crazy because last week, or was it this week? Or last week it was water, and then this week we lost internet. So water, I think, is the most important for sure. Internet, it just kind of trips you out because a lot of your work is done through the internet. And I'm thinking about it now, especially now with COVID, we have all the Zoom calls. So anybody that had Spectrum yesterday, it was totally out in LA. All the way up till like this morning, and then I don't know, it finally worked. But yeah, it was kind of crazy actually thinking about it without the internet. We just couldn't do any work or work online, which most of our work is online. It's kind of nuts thinking about that. Wow, things that happen, things that make you go But anyways, Friday. Actually, I did this last weekend. I didn't write anything during the weekend, and then I totally forgot what I was doing. But I kind of recalled a little bit yesterday, or from Friday. Friday, I did it late, so you guys saw the behind the scenes with Dave, and that was kind of fun. That was just a new vlog, and actually I had a good time filming that and then sharing it with everybody. That was kind of cool. And I did my 100-day song, which is Viva La Vida. I've been looking through one of my old books, and there's a bunch of songs in there that I haven't done a little bit, but I enjoy doing them. I just have to rewrite them and do that. So actually, I'm getting I do have enough songs for the 100-day. It's just I have to rewrite them. So if I don't write a few each day, then I'm behind. So I have to write a few songs today, and I have to edit, and yeah, fun stuff. Yeah. Hey, that's the challenge. That's the challenge. If it was easy, it wouldn't be a challenge, right? But yeah, that's what I did. That's what I did on Friday, and I think what else happened on Friday? I just chilled out on Friday. Yeah, I think it was just a chill day. After I was done, I think it was a long day, and then I was just done. But then Saturday, I think it was another chill day, but I was just getting ready for Dave's live show. I just think during the end of the week, I just get totally burnt out. So I just gotta exercise more and just watch my burnout. Because I I think this weekend I was just like, oh, I don't feel like doing anything. But yeah, I did do my song, 100-day song I did Under the Boardwalk, which was from Dean. And he gave it to us like last week or a week before, and I was like trying it out. And I think I got it, and I like it. It's a good song. Yeah, good stuff. That was day 56. And then Saturday was just computer work. Was that computer work? Yeah, computer work all day. I think I was just trying to figure stuff out. It's good just to sit sometimes and not do anything and think about what you're thinking, because I did have a thought. Let me finish this March 28th. I did have some thoughts from, actually, I think it was Sunday or whatever. Sunday, like our laundry, all our stuff doesn't work at our apartment. It's so crazy. But our dryer doesn't work, so we've been putting it off till yesterday to do laundry. And yeah, we just spent some time at the laundromat. But it was kind of cool because me and Carrie just hung out and talked, and then the Thai place was open that was next door, so we got Thai teas. I haven't had a Thai tea in a while. If you guys haven't had Thai iced tea, they're really good. And then they also had sticky rice and mango, so we cheated a little bit and got some sticky rice and mango. It was really good from yesterday. But then that was yesterday. I did my song, which was Starlight by Muse, and actually my computer didn't record the first one, so I had to do it again, so I had to do it twice, and I did it. But then I went to go upload it, and the internet went out, and then it stayed out. That was yesterday, like at 5, and then it stayed out till this morning. And it was funny because this morning we're like, what are we gonna do? We can't do any work. It's most of I could just edit, and that's what I was planning on doing, was editing, but the internet came back on. We actually went to breakfast to Ubuntu, this new cafe that's by Marine Stadium, or by Rogers, and it's really good. I had a croissant. They make excellent croissants, and I had a croissant sandwich and a cappuccino, which was awesome. Me and Carrie just chilled out and enjoyed. Then we came back, and then the internet was working, so now I'm here. Now I'm here talking with you, or talking with myself, talking to myself. That's basically what this is, talking to myself. But anyway, I did have some thoughts, and I don't know if I've had this thought before. I have to look back on my thing, but I think I keep repeating myself. But it's okay. I think as you repeat things to yourself, you're just programming your brain. And usually the thoughts that I want to program myself with is hopefully good thoughts that I've thought about. And actually that's what I was thinking about, is programming. Because I thought of this question. What's the question? How are we currently programmed? How is our brain programmed? Like if you think of computers are programmed a certain way to do certain jobs. I believe, I was thinking about this, is that we are kind of like a biological computer that can be programmed. And yeah. And my other question was, can we reprogram ourselves? That's a crazy part. And then I think that leads to the question, what is already in us? What is in us before we are programmed? Because you got to think of that, as you grow up, all the stuff that we learn is from the environment that we're actually in. The schools that we go to, what they teach us, things like that. And the weird thing is, after doing the vlog, I thought, my conclusion that I came up to is that I don't know anything. So whatever they've been programmed to do, and I think after a while, we're not even aware of what we're doing. We're just programmed and we just do it. Just like breathing, things like that. We just take it for granted, and we don't, I don't know, we just don't think about it. So, and then I came up with another question after that, is what are our base programs? Because like, for example, if you have a Mac system, you have the OS system, that works. Or if you have Windows, you have the like Microsoft, you have Linux, which is this. What is a human programming based system, I guess? And I don't know if there is one, or there should be, or what it is. But and I was like, for example, like, are we on a fear-based model, which I think a lot of us are? We fear a lot of things. We're scared of not obeying the laws. Are we in an abundance model where we feel like there's enough for everybody and enough for everybody to go around? Greed, ego. I don't know what the models are, but yeah, I think there are some base models that determine how you react to certain situations, I would guess. Whether you get mad, whether you think it out, whether you do all these things. I think those are personality traits, but I think we do have a base program. I believe, my theory is that we are programmed, and then if we're programmed, then I believe we can reprogram ourselves if we're aware enough to actually do that, which is crazy. And I don't know why these questions come up. I think these questions come up because nowadays, like, we had to stop because of COVID, and people had to look at themselves and see what they're doing. And I think that's what's happening, is they're becoming aware, and some people are realizing, hey, wait a minute, what am I doing? Like how we go to work. Like, we've done this for, already a year. It's been a year since we were on lockdown, and people going back to work, like, we still got some of the jobs done, but we didn't have to go into work for a lot of the people. So that would be like kind of like a change. Like, can we work at home and still accomplish the things that we want to accomplish? And then that would ask, that question is, what are we trying to accomplish? Crazy, huh? There's a lot of things, man. Actually, me and Carrie were talking about it today. She's like, what would you do if you had all the money? Then she was trying to play devil's advocate. And I go, well, I would test it. I would honestly, if I had enough money, I would start a community and see how it works. And then see if you could scale it up to that. And then create an environment of, I think it would be learning to excel our skills and our thought processes to better ourselves. That's what would be the thing. And then I would focus on how to take care of the things that we really need, which is water, food, shelter. Make those things, you automatically get that. Because if you can take care of those things, then we can think of other things to go forward. Yeah, I think that's my theory. But yeah, those are thoughts that I had this weekend. How are we currently programmed? And what we're programmed to do is to do a job, obviously. And can we reprogram ourselves? That's a huge one. And yeah, so that's my little thing that I learned this weekend. But that's my little soapbox. Let's look at the weather today. It's kind of weird, actually. Yesterday was 80 degrees, and today is, I got up to 80, and today is only, let's see, not the Daniel can, the iPhone can. It's 63, with the high of 64. And then tomorrow it's 80, so it cooled down. That was weird. Went 80 to 60, so we had a 20-degree difference. That kills. Actually, yesterday my sinuses were just going nuts because the pressure. I think the high pressure, but yeah. So I'll probably have another one tomorrow, but it's sunny and 80 tomorrow. Woo! Tomorrow's going to be a good day. I should get a lot of work done today so I can chill out tomorrow. But, yeah. Let's look at birthdays, too. Let's look at some birthdays. Whose birthday is it? That's not it. There it is. Dun, dun, dun. Birthdays today. Let's look. Oh, Lori Arzala, my sister-in-law. Laura has been battling cancer and just recently had a surgery, and I guess is doing fine. So, yeah, Lori, I hope everything is going well. I know you've been going through a really, really trying time. Cancer sucks, and I hope everything is well with you. I know Carrie talked to you the other day, and just want to send you all my love. And then Erica, Erica Farley, yeah, Air Force buddy. Um, she worked. God, what did she? Was she jets or hydraulics? I can't remember. Erica, if you're listening, I can't remember what you were, but go Air Force, and I love all my Air Force buddies. They're awesome. They're like friends for life. It's kind of cool. So, family for life, Air Force, Erica Farley. Hopefully you're doing well. So that's the birthdays for today. But other than that, I got some work to do today, and I kind of got bamboozled this morning, and I'm off schedule. So we have to get back in the groove and get some stuff done. But it is March 29th, 2021. It's almost April. Wow, time's flying. It is Monday, and it's Vlog 60. I'm into the 60s. Yay! And like always, every day, keep on strumming ukulele.